Welcome students. So now we are entering in exercise 3, okay, and that we are going to study now exercise 3, and we have completed up to nearby 11 question in previous video. Now in this video we are going to approaching another two for 2 to 3 question of how many we can do, that we will see. So first question is nothing but the 13.12, that how much charge is required for the following reductions. First, 1 mole of aluminium plus 3 to aluminium, 1 mole of Cu plus 2 to Cu, and 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 to Mn plus 2. So we are doing solution. In solution, we are taking first question, that is 1 mole of aluminium is going to convert into the aluminium 3. Okay, here aluminium plus 3 is going to convert into the aluminium. That means it need how many electron? 3 electrons. It need how many electron? 3 electrons are needed, and then only it can convert into the aluminium. So we can say that, okay, here 1 mole of aluminium required 3 mole of electron. Okay, so that is our written here. 1 mole of aluminium required 3 mole of electron. Now what do you mean by 3 mole of electron? 3 mole of electron is nothing but the calculation. Here 1 mole of electron needs how many coulomb? 96500 coulomb. You know that 1 Faraday. So 3 mole of electron needs 3 into 96500 divided by 1. That is 28950 coulomb. That is our answer. Second question is 1 mole of this. That will be your homework, because you know that same thing 1 mole of aluminium માં જે કર્યું છે એવું જ તમારે શાની અંદર કરવાનું છે, આની અંદર. So that might be your homework. Okay, hope that you understand this. Okay, what to do in homework. Okay, so hope that you understand. Now the next question is 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 to convert into the Mn plus 2. Now this will be the interesting. How we are approaching this. This will be the important idea. So hope that you understand how we can. We will write reaction. Now here see, in this reaction you are given that number is +7. બધાને આવડે છે હવે. 4 2 8, 8 માંથી 1 ગયા એટલે 7. બધાને યાદ છે ને? અચ્છા, નહીં યાદ હોય તો હું આ સમજાવી દઉં છું કે આ ઓક્સિજનનો ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર -2 હોય અને તે 2 સાથે 4 સાથે એડ થાય એટલે -8 થાય. -8 બીજી બાજુ જતા +8 થશે અને આ -1 સાથે કટ થઈને +7 આન્સર આવશે. So this will be the +7 answer of MnO. You all know about that. So hope that you understand. Now here Mn plus 2 છે, અહીંયા ઉપર પાવરમાં +2 છે. So that's why its answer will be only +2. Okay, so that is also. તો કેટલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની આપણને તોડ પડી? Here +7 અને 2 ઘટી ગયા. So 5 electrons are there left side. Okay, here how many oxygens are there? 4 oxygen. So 4 oxygen can be separated by adding 4 water. 4 water add करता how many hydrogen we have added? 8 hydrogen. That's why 8 hydrogen આપણે balance કરી દીધા. So this is our equation, and hope that you understand this equation. So here 5 electrons are working. So that's why now our topic will be to multiply by 5, 9650. So this will be written like this. Here we are going to write this. So this will be written like this. 1 electron 96500. So 5 electron how much? So that is the question number 3.12 is completed. Now we are entering into the 13.12. Now read this question carefully. How much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to produce 220 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2 and 40 gram of. So here also in solution we are taking first question. And what is the first question? 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2. Okay, so how we can find out? So now in previous video we have talked about lot. There is a very simple formula to find out the weight, and for the weight formula was MIT upon NF. But you know IT is nothing but the Q, and that's why in place of IT I am writing Q. IT in જગ્યા પર શું લખાશે? Q. So I have written here Q. So that will be our top. So hope that you understand this topic. And now answer, after getting this IT is equals to Q, what we can manage? We can manage this. Only put the value. And we are putting the value that अगर તમે Q ने सब्जेक्ट बनाવો तो Q is equals to WNF. આ NF ઉપર જતું રહેશે. ઓકે, NF will go upside. જો NF અહીંયાથી ઉપર જતું રહેશે અને W સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થઈ જશે. ઓકે, and that's why WNF by M, put the value 20 ગ્રામ W આપ્યો છે. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કેટલા છે? Ca+2 છે એટલે 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન. ફેરેડે 96500 અને Ca નો મોલેક્યુલર માસ 40 છે. The answer will be, this is very simple. So 6500 કુલમ આવે અને if you want to convert it into the Faraday, then 1 Faraday is the answer. બંને આન્સર તમે લખેલા ચાલશે કે 96500 લખશો તો પણ ચાલશે, that is in measure coulomb, and Faraday લખશો તો પણ ચાલશે. So this first question is resolved here. So now we are entering for the second question. Now second question similar way you can think. ચલો વિચારો similar way. તો કોણ વિચારશે આલો આ second question ને? ઉપરના જેવું જ વિચારવાનું છે. So here also we will put to first the entire thing and then see the calculation. I hope that you understand this calculation nicely. Okay, see, check out yourself okay, what I have done is correct or wrong. W is equals to meet upon NF, that's why IT will convert into the Q, that for Q is equals to WNF upon N. W ની value 40. Okay, aluminium na +3 electron, Faraday 96500 and 28. That is number આ કુલમ આવશે. પછી એને 96500 થી કરશો divide, so you will get the answer 4.44 Faraday. So this is simple. This question you can understand. So now next question is more interesting, and that we are going to perform. And see, this question is like this. Okay, how much electricity is required in coulomb for the oxidations of 1 mole of H2O2 and to convert O2. So here also we are doing solution, and in solution we are taking again the first question, and that first question is 1 mole of H2O2 to O2. So for that purpose first we required to make the equation. H2O2 માંથી O2 કેવી રીતે કન્સિડર થાય? So H2O2 માંથી O2 આ રીતે કન્વર્ટ થશે કે H2O plus H2 plus half O2. Now one oxygen is equals to -2. Okay, that you know, that is 2 electron. જો અહીંયા O2 લખ્યું છે પણ આગળ 2 છે, that's why these 2 and these 2 will cut out. આ બંને કટ થઈ જશે. So what is remaining? Remaining is alone oxygen, and one oxygen need 2 electrons. O -2. One oxygen needs 2 electrons. That's why in this equation how many electrons are needed? 2 electrons are needed. So now we have to put the step. So how I am putting the step, that you see here. Okay, now mole is equals to IT upon NF. That is Q is equals to NF. Okay, that means Q is equals to mole into NF. નીચેની વસ્તુ ઉપર જતી રહેશે તો Q ચાર્જ વધવાનો હોય તો mole multiply by NF. Here mole is given 1. અહીંયા તમને mole કેટલા આપેલા છે? See, mole is given 1 mole. So I have taken here 1 mole. And number of electron we have decided 2. And 96500 multiply by this. That's all. Very simple. Okay, so hope that you understand this point. Now next point is also next question, and next question now here I have written equation for you. Okay, FeO, that is going to convert into the Fe2O3 question માં આપેલું છે કે ભાઈ FeO is going to convert to Fe2O3. તો FeO ને મેં Fe2O3 માં કન્વર્ટ કર્યો છે. Now Fe is +2, here +2, okay, and here +3. that you all know કે આમાં એ +3 તરીકે છે. How many electron is transfer? 1 electron is transfer. ઓકે, ચલો અહીંયા ઓક્સિજન એક જ છે એટલે અહીંયા સોરી અહીંયા F